Navigating the intricate financial landscape of universities can often feel overwhelming and chaotic for many. At UPenn, the finance division tackles everything from payroll to tax withholding, supporting administrators and students alike. Facing fragmented help desk operations, Christy Owen sought a solution that could streamline financial requests across the university. With cumbersome email threads complicating communication, timely access to essential financial data was simply not possible. To address these challenges, the team turned to Freshservice, aiming for automation and enhanced self-service capabilities. The launch of Ben Helps transformed support, creating a centralized hub for all financial application inquiries and support. Now, our administrators can get the information they need precisely when they need it, Owen states confidently. The university's shift from an outdated ticketing system to a modern platform, aimed at digital transformation, was crucial. With Ben Helps, users can effortlessly navigate over 35 unique forms, ensuring efficient and effective self-service. As the platform manages nearly 30,000 support requests in just 6 months, UPenn envisions a future of streamlined finance.